Picture this, a lively animation of a young boy named Johnny, brimming with energy and curiosity. Remember the classic rhyme, Johnny, Johnny? Yes, the same innocent tale that takes us back to our childhood days. Well, our story today revolves around this very rhyme, exploring the adventures of Johnny and the valuable lessons he learns about eating. Here, Johnny is not just a character, but a symbol of youthful curiosity and eagerness to learn. His story begins in the heart of a bustling kitchen, where the aroma of freshly baked cookies lingers in the air. Johnny, with twinkling eyes, is drawn towards the cookie jar, his tiny fingers reaching out to grab a handful. "Johnny, Johnny," calls out his papa, catching him red-handed. "Eating cookies?" Now Johnny is faced with a classic childhood dilemma. Does he admit to his actions or try to conceal them? With a sheepish smile, Johnny confesses, "Yes, Papa." This is where Johnny's journey of learning begins. His papa gently explains to him the importance of eating healthily. He tells Johnny that while it's okay to enjoy cookies occasionally, it's equally crucial to maintain a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and grains. As the days pass, Johnny starts to understand and implement his papa's advice. He begins to relish the colorful salads, the hearty soups, and the nutritious smoothies. He learns to appreciate the variety of flavors and textures that healthy food offers, realizing that eating is not just about satisfying hunger, but also about nourishing the body and mind. Johnny's story serves as a gentle reminder of the importance of healthy eating habits. It's a lesson about moderation and balance, about understanding our body's needs, and about making conscious choices. Just like Johnny, we too can embark on a journey towards healthier eating habits. It's never too late to start. So remember, the next time you reach out for a cookie, ask yourself, "Johnny, Johnny eating cookies?" And maybe, just maybe, you choose an apple instead. Fade out to black. Our story ends here, but the lessons we learn from Johnny's tale continue to resonate in our everyday lives. Because, after all, we are all a little bit like Johnny, aren't we? Exploring, learning, and growing, one bite at a time.